Lesson number 20. The 20th lesson is Divine Life or Divya Jivana. Meaning, Divine Life generally means living of spiritual life or Adhyatmika Jivana as well as ethical life or Dharmika Jivana combined. Necessity. Living of divine life aids and enhances our spiritual practices or adhyatmika sadhana. Therefore, living of divine life is necessary. Importance. The household spiritual disciples generally confine their daily spiritual sadhana of japa, kirtan, meditation, etc. to the morning hours and the evening hours for some short duration. Thereafter, they keep themselves fully busy in their day-long material pursuits and worldly activities. During such long time, they show petty-mindedness, selfishness, etc. in their secular activities, resort to falsehood, wrong dealings with others, including exhibiting anger, harshness, hatred, cruelty, violence, etc., and perform undesirable and unethical actions. Consequently, as our saints and sages say, whatever spiritual sadhana they have performed in the morning and in the evening hours gets reduced or even nullified due to such undesirable actions during the rest long hours of the day. These obstruct their spiritual sadhana or spiritual progress. Therefore, their worldly activities and dealings towards others during the entire day needs to be good, noble and ethical, which will aid and enhance their morning and evening hours spiritual sadhana. In view of the same, living of divine life is of great importance. Living of divine life is also very important from another point of view. As we have stated, the household disciples generally confine their spiritual sadhana to the morning hours and in the evening hours for some short duration, and leave the rest long hours of the day in material pursuits and worldly activities. As our holy scriptures and our saints and sages say, that much of spiritual sadhana or even one's whole life spiritual sadhana is not sufficient to achieve the supreme goal of human life, that is moksha or God realization. Achievement of the supreme goal of human life requires spiritual sadhana for many human births, and human life upon the earth plane is short and uncertain. Time passes away swiftly. As such, each moment is precious. Hence, it is wise for the human beings to utilize each moment of their life for achievement of the supreme goal of life in their own interest and for their highest welfare and supreme good. But it is not possible for the ordinary household disciples to perform their spiritual sadhana throughout the whole day. In this situation, it is wise for them to live the divine life during the rest hours of the day, apart from performing their spiritual sadhana in the morning and evening hours. Thereby, all their actions during the rest long hours of the day will aid to their spiritual sadhana. Their progress in the spiritual path will be rapid, and they can be very hopeful to achieve the supreme goal of life in the present human birth itself. In view of these considerations, living of divine life is very important in human life. Its benefits: living of divine life aids and enhances one's spiritual practices or adhyatmika sadhana and quickens achievement of the supreme goal of human life. Manner: divine life can be lived by living spiritual life or adhyatmika jivana as well as ethical life or dharmika jivana. In this connection, we need to know further about what is divine life and how to live the same, and thereafter we should live the divine life and derive immense benefits for ourselves. For acquiring further knowledge on this topic, please study the lesson number 16 on divine life or Divya Jivana in volume 13 of the book Youth, Arise, Awake and Adopt the Right Path of Life, written by Sri Swami Sivananda Saraswati and Sri Swami Chidananda Saraswati. Here ends lesson number 20 on divine life or Divya Jivana.